In this video, we'll explain the setting parameters of the feeder protection device uLEDX-F. In uLEDX-F, the CT ratio is programmable from 25 amps to 4000 amps primary current and 5 amps secondary. So for setting the CT ratio, we will switch off the power and then press R key and reset key simultaneously, and then switch on the power. Then it will show control P, then this will show 1050. That means the current CT ratio setting is 1050 amps. If you want to increase it to 1100, you can change it to 1100, or if you want to reduce it to 1000, you can press B key and reduce it to 1000, and then press R key. Then this ratio will be set in the relay. Now this relay is having a CT ratio of 1000 by 5 amps. Now for the protection settings, we have to press RB and reset key simultaneously. Then FUN is displayed. Then auto is displayed. R manual can be also be displayed. Say manual is displayed or auto is displayed. Press Y key. It will toggle between auto and manual. Then press R key. Then this is the rated current setting. Once the rated feeder current setting is to be set, now currently it is set at 1000 amps. You want to reduce it to say feeder setting. If you want to reduce it for protection, say you want to set it to 900 amps. You set it to 900 amps by pressing B key and then press R key. Then this value is set accordingly. In auto mode, all the protection settings for the feeder will be set considering 900 amps as the full load current of the feeder. Now if you want to change the settings individually for any of the protection parameters, again you press R key and reset key. Then FUN will be displayed, auto is displayed. Then you press Y key, then manual mode will be displayed, then press R key. Then individually the parameters can be set. Now first parameter is device ID, which can be set by pressing Y key. Currently it is shown as 5. You want to change it to say 7 or 8, you press Y key, and if you want to reduce it, you press B key and then press R key again. Then amount is displayed. Amount is the analog 4 to 20 milliamp signal current setting. For that again you press Y key. Currently it is set at 900. If you want to reduce it, you can press B key, or if you want to increase it, you can press Y key. Next again you press R key. Then OCP is displayed, overcurrent point. Again by pressing Y key or B key, you can change the overcurrent point setting. Then OCC is the overcurrent curve setting. You can select the curve by pressing Y key or B key and then press R key again. Then there is overcurrent multiplier setting. This also can be set by pressing Y key or B key and then press R key again. Then there is the overcurrent time setting. This is currently set at 1 second. It also can be changed, and then press R key again. Then there is the high set overcurrent unit enable disable. Currently it is enabled. If you want to disable it, press D key. Then again you press Y key. Then it will toggle between enable and disable. Then next is high offset overcurrent point setting. This is currently set at 500%. If you want, you can change it by pressing Y key or B key. Then again press R key. Then this is a high set overcurrent time setting. Is currently set at 0.5 second. It also can be changed by Y or B key. Then again press R key. Then this is earth fault point setting. This is currently set at 20%. It also can be changed by Y or B key. Then again press R key. This earth fault curve setting. Currently it's set at curve 1. It also can be changed by Y or B key. Then again press R key. Then this earth fault multiplier setting. This also can be changed by Y or B key. Then this earth fault time setting. This also can be changed by Y or B key. Then this is high set earth fault enable disable. Currently is set at enable. If you want to disable, you can press Y key. It will toggle between enable or disable. Then again press R key. This is the high set earth fault point setting. Currently it's set at 100%. It also can be changed by Y or B key. Then again press R key. Then is the high set earth fault time setting. This also can be changed by Y or B key. Then again press R, then baud rate for communication will be shown. Press Y key, it can be changed again from 9.6 and to other parameters. Then again press R key, then the fault history is shown, up to 5 faults is shown, and then the time stamping of the fault is also displayed. Then you press R key again, then set will be displayed. That means all the parameters which are set manually are set in the relay. Once you set the parameters manually, if you again go into auto mode and enter the value and save, then automatically all these manual set values will be rewritten as per the default settings of the auto mode. Thank you.